gives them opportunity to get out of the classroom and be able to put their skills to work. It makes me very proud to be able to bring my students up here to the Betty Queen Center and just to watch them engaging with the seniors here at the Betty Queen Center, and just to be able to see them bring a smile to their faces every time that we're here. And not just the seniors, but to see them interact with the little ones at the daycare center, and just to see the smiles that they bring to them every time that we're here.